Hello, YouTube, Facebook. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. We are about to clean partial areas of this house. One of the areas is the bathroom, and I just wanted you to take a good look at it because we're going to show you the afterwork. We're going to make sure all of this calcium is removed from this water faucet around the base of it, and to get all of the stains and what have you out of the toilet and down on the bottoms of the base of the toilet on the sides. We're going to clean it up really good, and this bathtub is quite dirty as well. So we're going to get this place all cleaned up, and we're going to make it look really nice. They had water that came out of the bathroom. This is a big water stain in the carpet. So that should clean right up with the steam cleaning. And they have some other stains over here. They have coffee and juice and whatever else it is. Some organic stains. I know some of it is from food. Some of them are from pets. Here's some things over here. I don't know if that's for magic marker, crayon, or something. But we'll try to get all these stains out as much as we can. And then we're going to clean this area over here. This bathroom right here in front of us. So they have started to remodel this bathroom, but they are not finished yet. So we are here to do our work. And maintenance man, he just came in. He didn't know what I was doing, but that's okay. He's doing his job. And so we're just showing you what it looks like. We're going to get this all cleaned up. There's a little light. We're going to go through here, clean all the carpets in the bedroom, vacuum it up really thorough. We're going to get it all cleaned. We're going to be using a high pH on this carpet. We have some coffee stain remover. We're going to be using that as well. And we're going to clean this room. I probably won't be taking these Kool-Aid stains out. Look like somebody has already tried. So, and plus it has a hole in the carpet as well. So that's really not going to make that much difference. This is a rental property, and so we're just going to try to clean it up as good as we can. See, they had a dog. You can see right here where the carpet is raveled. It's raveled right here and right here at the entry. But we're not going to repair that. A lot of stains over here. A lot of things going on in this carpet. We're going to do our best to get this carpet cleaned up. This is the other area where the carpet is. This room is not that bad. This has a few pet stains in here. So we over here getting this oven ready. It's pretty bad. She's spraying oven cleaner inside there. Just want to give you a look at how it looks. Let me see what's in the inside. See if we got a nice cake in here. Yep, that's what happened when you bake. Yeah, the oven can get it all cleaned up. Well, hey, it's job security for us. We'll get it cleaned up. Okay, so we want to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the after work.